nós estamos super, pero super contento para anunciar que o Stichting Monumentfonds Aruba a compra Cas Debrot. E nós vamos começar com a preparação para o projeto de restauração pronto. Para hopi anos, Stichting Monumentenfonds Aruba de yega na uma solução para o monumento único aqui. Dank na Frank Tiedeman, para conectar-nos com o meneer Edward Debrot e sua família. Meneer Debrot está e é primeiro dono que a construir a casa aqui. E para realizar projeto exitoso, o Monumentenfonds sempre mostra três coisas. Acuerdo com o dono para compra e para o preço de compra, financiamento e hunto. No caso aqui, nós temos várias reuniões na sala aqui com o meneer Debrot e com o Denise, que sempre está super agradável. Está uma boa reunião e nós temos acordo mais ali mesmo com o outro. Entretanto, o meneer Debrot conta-nos sobre o edifício de sua família também. E está pensando em monumento, porque tem seu valor histórico. E não está diz é beton, com glas, com palha. Nós estamos sumamente agradecidos ao meneer Debrot e sua família com a baia de acordo com koopsom, compra, que está eigenlijk hobby menos com a taxatiewaarde. Eu tenho que echt indicar isso aqui. Assim, nós estamos fazendo uma grande contribuição na preservação de nossa herência cultural na praia. Dank de coração e sempre nos chamamos a casa aqui, Cas Debrot, para honrar a família. A parte de financiamento, pronto nós firma a hipotheekakte com a Aruba Bank para financiar a compra. Mas dank na Aruba Bank para a boa cooperação, eigenlijk maar niet sempre. Nationaal Restauratiefonds di Hulanda cabe manda carta de reservação na Tayame para confirmar que não lo financia a parte de restauração. Nós queremos agradecer a todos por dar-nos a oportunidade aqui.
It is with great pleasure that we are here this morning representing Aruba Bank as we gather to recognize the importance of preserving Aruba's architectural heritage, which is a vital part of our island's identity. At Aruba Bank, we recognize that our heritage is not only a link to our past and history, but it is also a bridge to our future. This is why we are committed to support projects that preserve and restore Aruba's historic landmarks, ensuring they remain a meaningful part of community for generations to come. One such project that we are incredibly proud to have financed is Cas Debrot. Thank you, family Debrot. An iconic structure that is an emblem of Aruba's history and architectural tradition. This remarkable building is not just a piece of our past, but also a symbol of what we can achieve when we come together to honor and to protect our cultural legacy. But preservation alone is not enough. Our vision extends to the beautification of Aruba's downtown area, transforming it into a thriving economic center for the future.
We are fortunate to have reached a mutually beneficial agreement on the condition of this transfer to the Monument Fund. We feel that both parties benefit from the deal, but we hope it will be even more beneficial to the people of Aruba to recover a building that was familiar to their elders. It could be seen as a fitting gift to Oranjestad on its 200th birthday. Once the gift is unwrapped and the necessary restoration is completed, the forgotten grace of the original house will come alive again, bringing back the vibrant spirit of the once busy boulevard. Finally, I wish to thank Mr. Everett Bungers for his interest, advice, and all photographs of the house. I also extend my gratitude to the architect Iri Matthew, who provided valuable advice and relayed information, as well as Mr. Frank Tillman. Lastly, my heartfelt thanks to the Monumentenfonds, its director Anne, and all the staff for their long-standing interest in our old house. Thanks to their efforts, this restoration is now possible, and our dream will soon come a reality. Thank you so much.